The USA offers 50 diverse states that you can travel and explore, but which are the best to settle down in? This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best states to live in America in 2022. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So we have compared healthcare, economy, opportunities, education, environmental factors, and researched opinions from US travel experts to find the best states to live in the USA for 2022. These are just our top 10 based on all of our research, but if you feel like we've missed one out, then let us know in the comments below. So coming in at number 10 is Florida. The Sunshine State of Florida is known for its subtropical climate, beaches, theme parks, and nature, which are just a few reasons why so many people relocate here each year. As a tourist hub, there is a strong economy here, leading to more and more job opportunities. Plus, the tourism pays for a sizable share of the state's sales tax, meaning residents of Florida do not have a personal income tax, hence why so many people choose to retire here. There are several large cities in the state, bringing with them excellent universities and private schools. However, cost of living in Florida can be higher, particularly when looking for affordable housing. Number 9 is Massachusetts. Known for its fantastic education system, Massachusetts continues to be a top choice for those looking for the perfect state. The state led the way in healthcare with the Universal Healthcare Coverage Plan and was also the first state to legalize gay marriage. Unemployment rate is low here, and the average household income tends to be higher than other states, making Massachusetts a great option for those looking for a high-paying job. You can also take advantage of the diverse sites in the state too, from the historic city of Boston to the glorious beaches and mountains in the state. Number 8, we have Wisconsin. With a fantastic healthcare and plenty of growing businesses, Wisconsin is a great place to call home. The people in this state believe in creating a life they love to live, made doable by an affordable cost of living, low unemployment rate, and plenty of activities and experiences to be had. Visit the countless lakes, eat all of the cheese, and mingle with the sports fans any time of the year. At number 7 is Nebraska. Often overlooked, Nebraska is an ideal state for families looking to settle and build a life for themselves. With affordable cost of living and ranking high in terms of housing prices, alongside a low population density, you can get more for your money when buying property here. Jobs here tend to pay more than other states too, so that you can expect a higher income potential, whilst the cities are lively developing hubs for newcomers. Next we have Virginia. With a diverse and strong economy, Virginia has a great job market, which is building momentum again after the pandemic. The unemployment rate consistently falls below the national average too. Healthcare costs a little more here, but you can expect access to some of the best medical facilities in the US, whilst public schools here rank high in the country too. Number 5, we have Idaho. For nature lovers, Idaho is a great place to live and settle down. You can enjoy fishing, camping, hiking, whitewater rafting, and nature drives within the state. Cost of living is around 2% lower than the national average, but housing can be more expensive than other states on this list because of the competitive real estate market. The job prospect in Idaho is excellent, and this should only continue to grow in 2022. Unemployment sits at around 3%, and the state has growing opportunities in web, software development, and property. Next we have New Hampshire. Although a small state, New Hampshire has many natural advantages and offers access to ski mountains, hiking, the beach, and lakes. Crime rates are low here and there is no income or sales tax. Because of the size of the state, you have close proximity to Boston no matter where you live, and you can find excellent schools in the state as well. There is a lot to love about New Hampshire, but it is best to secure a job before moving to the state. At number 3, we have Utah. Rental pricing is competitive in Utah, perfect for those looking to rent their first home. Crime rate is one of the lowest in the country, and education is excellent in the state as well. The economy in Utah remained stable during 2020 and began to thrive in 2021, perfect for those looking for employment, especially in technology. The average age of a Utah resident right now is just over 30 years old, with plenty of students pursuing a degree at one of the state schools, meaning you are heading to a community of young, ambitious, and educated people. Transportation is improving in Utah too, with a light rail system continuing to grow and an extensive highway project that takes you from border to border if you wish to drive through the metro area quickly. Next we have Minnesota. With 17 Fortune 500 companies here and minimum wage just under $10, many seek the well-paid job opportunities available in Minnesota. Although accommodation in the cities can be on the high end, it is still not as expensive as other cities in the country, and you can rent or buy properties in the more rural areas of the state for decent prices. If you love nature, you will also love visiting the 5 national parks, 7 state parks, and thousands of lakes that can be found in Minnesota. Also, this state is the perfect place for foodies, with local dishes from all regions, as well as some amazing Asian and Swedish-inspired dishes. And coming in at number 1, the best state to live in the USA is Washington. Home to glaciers, mountains, 3 national parks, and over 140 state parks, nature lovers will love Washington. Plus, you aren't far from the stunning scenery and bustling cities of California. Washington has a large economy too, meaning you have good access to jobs at some of the biggest companies in the world, including Amazon, Microsoft, and Starbucks. There is no state income tax here and no corporate income tax either, which is helpful as the cost of living in Washington is higher than other states in the US. The cities here are diverse and offer plenty of things to see and do. Both the healthcare system and the education in the state is ranked high, making it an ideal place for families and couples. Watch this video to compare this list with the 2021 best places to live in the USA. Then, to find out the best things to do in America, watch this video. Let us know which state you think is the best place to live in the USA in the comments below. Happy travels and stay creative.